baby angel, and today we're gonna change her and then bring her to the I Love You restaurant where the food was super expensive and when Ken tried his first big pizza slice. Change my baby. That is her. She's really cute. So we're gonna take off the swaddle that my grandma did. Okay. Guys, please comment down which one you like the best.
No. No.
So I think, let me do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the tiger by the toe. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, this! Oh, it's cute. Let's put it on. Oops, I forgot to put on the diapers. Silly me. These are her cosmetic bag. We got her lotion, her bottle of milk, and diapers. We fill them up, usually. I let my mom put this on because I couldn't do that. So now we're going to put on this lotion. I have to wipe the baby because sometimes it's a bit itchy. Finally, I'm here. Miss! Hi! Do you have any baby seat? Yeah. Thank you so much. Can you keep this in the refrigerator? Yeah. Thanks. I'll order in a minute. And do you have any baby food? Yeah. What baby food? The sparkly ones. Ooh, I love those sparkly ones. Okay. Oh, and can you make me a fruit salad, please? Sure. Here's something to play with until the food comes. Here's your food. Here's the food, baby angel. Sparkly food is yummy, right? Oopsie, I dropped something. Oh, there it is. Kids, do not eat anything that is on the floor. Oh no, I dropped something again. Don't eat things off the chair, floor, or table because you never know. There might be germs. People sometimes spit. I've seen that once. The baby's crying. Miss, can I please have the milk from the fridge? Thanks. Now it's time to birth the baby. That smells good. Now finally time for me to eat.